Watch this. I did that. The vacuum did, but I'm the one vacuuming all the cereal and eggs. Ew, right? But guess what? I don't have to touch the roller. It self-cleans. And it's cordless. I needed something that could keep up with real messes, not just crumbs, but sticky floors, pet hair, and whatever my kids drop 5 minutes after I clean. This is a cordless vacuum and mop in one. It's called the OmniFind by Bissell. What surprised me most is the lighting. It literally shows dirt on your floor that you don't see standing up, especially along baseboards and under cabinets. It actually picks it up and leaves the floor feeling clean, not streaky. It uses a cleaning solution designed for sealed hard floors, so it feels like I'm actually washing the floor, not just wiping it. If you want something easy, cordless, and realistic for busy homes, QVC is having a liquidation sale, so click on the link now.